Instagram has significantly improved its message unsending capabilities, making it easier than ever to manage your communications and invitations. The platform now offers enhanced notification systems and a more user-friendly interface for controlling your sent messages. Instagram supports unsending various types of invite messages. You can unsend direct messages including text, photos, videos, and voice messages. Story mentions and tags can be revoked, along with live video invitations and collaboration invites for posts, reels, and stories. You can also manage close friends invitations. To unsend a direct message, the process is straightforward. First, long press on the message you want to remove. This will bring up a pop-up menu with various options. Select Unsend from this menu, and the message will be removed from both your chat and the recipient's chat immediately. For collaboration invites, the process is slightly different. You need to navigate to the original post or content where you sent the collaboration invitation. Then access the collaboration settings for that specific post. From there, you can remove or revoke the invitation, which immediately revokes the collaborator's access to the shared content. Understanding time limitations is crucial for effective message management. Direct messages can be unsent indefinitely with no time restrictions. However, some collaboration invites have time-sensitive revocation windows, so it's important to act quickly if you need to revoke access. Live video invitations can only be revoked before the live session actually starts, making timing critical for these types of invites. Instagram is placing increasing emphasis on user control over shared content and communications. This privacy-first approach is driving significant enhancements to unsending capabilities across the platform. As part of Meta's broader strategy, Instagram's messaging features are becoming more integrated with Facebook Messenger and WhatsApp. This integration promises cross-platform unsending capabilities and unified invitation management systems. Instagram is developing AI-powered safety features that will warn users before sending potentially problematic invitations, automatically suggest unsending messages in certain contexts, and provide better tools for managing unwanted invitations. To effectively manage Instagram invites, follow these essential best practices. Act quickly to unsend any errors, always double-check your recipient lists, use preview features when available, and conduct regular privacy audits of your account. Be aware of current limitations. Instagram doesn't notify when someone takes screenshots before unsending. Third-party apps might capture messages. Network delays can allow messages to be seen before unsending completes, and push notifications may persist even after unsending. Anticipated future features include scheduled unsending, bulk invitation management, enhanced privacy controls, and cross-platform integration. However, there's a significant need for user education through better in-app tutorials, clear documentation, regular updates, and community education on digital privacy best practices.